You want an easy solution to power the lights on a motorcycle cargo trailer or camper? Well, it doesn't get much easier than this. Hey, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ezCAN Accessory Manager to manage the lights on a trailer or camper that has separate brake lights and turn signals, also known as a 5-wire system. Now, even if you aren't sure how your trailer lights are configured, it doesn't matter. It's easy to change how the ezCAN is set up, so regardless of how your trailer is wired, you can make the ezCAN work the way you want. So let's just jump into it. So to get started, you download the ezCAN software from Hex Systems to your Mac or Windows computer. The first time you open the ezCAN software, you'll be asked to register your product, and when that's done, you'll arrive at the configuration dashboard, which shows how your ezCAN is set up. To change the assigned function for a channel, you just click on it, and then you choose what you want that channel to do from the menu that pops up. So I'm going to go down here and choose left turn signal for the red circuit and click apply. I'm going to do the same thing here for the blue circuit and choose the right turn. Now, in its default setup, the yellow circuit is already set up for a brake signal, so we don't need to do anything there. And the white circuit is set up for a 12-volt accessory. Well, a running light circuit just needs a steady 12 volts, just like any other accessory. So that's set up as well. And that's it for configuring the ezCAN. For a 5-wire trailer system, you'll need a plug with at least 5 poles. Now, you can use a 6-pin. They're all different shapes. Here's a round 5. This is an Escapade plug. This is the kind I use on my camper. This is used on a lot of 5-wire systems. It doesn't matter which physical plug you use as long as it matches what's on the camper and as long as you have a minimum of 5 poles or pins or wires. If you have 6, it just means that one of them is not going to be used. Now remember, on a 5-wire system we need 1 signal for each wire plus a ground. But if you look over here, we've got 8 wires. So what do we do here? Well, we're only going to need to connect to the individual signal wires, the hot wires off of each one of these channels. And then we're going to use just 1 ground wire for the trailer, because remember, the trailer has a common ground. So we're going to ignore this ground and this ground and this ground. It doesn't matter which one, just as long as we use one of them. So I set up the red channel as my left turn. And I'm going to connect that to the yellow wire on the trailer, which carries, that goes to the left turn. All right. Blue, we assigned that the right turn function. So all I need to do is wrap this up. I could kind of, pull those things out and tidy them up. But these are going to connect to my 4 channels on the ezCAN. This is going to go out to my trailer, and I am done. Here's the completed harness that I use on my bike, and what's great about this setup is that if you need to take it in for service, you can take this harness off here at these quick disconnect plugs, and all you have left on the bike is an accessory manager. And if you need to connect to a trailer with a different plug, you just make a different one of these with a different plug on the end, and you're good to go. Brake, right turn, left turn. So all that's left to do now is just to tidy up the wiring and installation and put everything back on the bike. Now, in the next video in this series, I'm going to do one for a 4-wire setup. Can this setup get even easier? Well, it possibly can. So in the final video in this series, I'm going to take a look at some of the advanced settings of the ezCAN that make it even easier to use, as well as an advanced feature that will enhance the safety of your trailering when you're out on the road. Well, that's it for this video. Now be sure to look for a link to the ezCAN on my website in the description below this video. Once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about motorcycle trailering and camping. This is Dale for Open Road Outfitters, and until next time, I wish you many happy journeys.